Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best beach wagons you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Max Sports WTC 111 Outdoor Utility Wagon. If you are looking for a top-rated beach cart, you might want to consider this collapsible folding wagon offered by Max Sports. Users love the handiness of this product, but many do complain about the wheels not rolling on the sand. This product is a large-capacity utility wagon that sets up in seconds. It folds to only 8 thick. Its heavy-duty frame allows it to load up to 150 pounds. Functional features include an adjustable handle for effortless transport and 2 mesh cup holders. It comes in 8 colors and styles. This beach cart might be a good choice for hauling gear to outdoor sporting events, concerts, trips to the park or beach. In general, users have a favorable opinion of the Max Sports beach cart. What they praise is that it is very spacious and holds a good amount of weight. They add that it folds up very compact easily. However, many buyers express complaints regarding the wheels that don't roll well on the sand. Another frequent complaint is that if you're taller, the handle might not extend enough to allow comfortable pulling. One dissatisfied buyer complains about the cheap cover material. Pros: very spacious, holds a good amount of weight, folds up very compact easily, available in 8 colors and styles. Cons: express complaints regarding the wheels that don't roll well on the sand. Number 2. Max Sports Collapsible Outdoor Utility Wagon. If you want a multipurpose carrier at less than $100, this utility wagon from Max Sports is the right choice. It can carry your beach equipment to the shore, garden tools to the backyard, and shopping supplies to your doorstep. The heavy-duty utility wagon is here to lighten your load. Its durable frame and 600D polyester fabric can take lots of abuse without being broken down. You can keep it under rain and sun because the anti-mildew fabric won't fade away or decay. The wagon does not require any assembly, and it takes less than a minute to make it ready for business. It folds into an 8-inch thick compact unit. One design flaw is the wagon does not stay upright when folded. You have to lean it against something or lay it down. This functional wagon holds up to 150 pounds, which is standard for a budget-friendly unit like this. 2 cup holders on the front wide will keep you hydrated during pulling the cart. A folding table on the rear side has 2 more slots for holding phones and drinks. The smooth glide wheels are perfect for hauling heavy items, such as sporting gear or camping accessories. It has a telescopic handle for effortless pulling. Don't put your child or pet into the wagon because it's designed for carrying goods only. Number 3. Radio Flyer Folding Wagon for kids and cargo. This folding wagon is a mini transformer. If you're not sure about the movie reference here, let's just say that it can turn into a bench or a transport vehicle for children, depending on your needs. Combining superior DuraClean fabric and a steel frame, this multi-purpose model allows 2 children up to 18 months old to ride on it. Also, since it comes with padded seat cushion and seat belts, the safety and comfort of its young riders are never compromised. The stationary bench seating configuration allows an adult to sit with a child. All you need to do is unhook the side panel. In the haul setup, it provides a capacity of 150 pounds, meaning you can load it with all the beach essentials without falling short in space. Apart from that, it features 2 cup holders on the front and storage loops for beach slippers and sunglasses. Lastly, it comes with a telescoping handle and quiet ride wheels, simplifying transport. While that may not be a deal breaker, many customers prefer something that can be used out of the box. Pros: allows 2 children up to 18 months old to ride the wagon. Bench sitting configuration accommodates a child and an adult. Comes with 2 cup holders and storage loops. Features a telescoping handle and quiet ride wheels. Cons: model requires assembly. Number 4. Sekey Folding Wagon Cart Collapsible Outdoor Utility Wagon. This is a multipurpose large-capacity wagon that folds away and has an approximate size of 35.4 inches in length and a width of 40 inches. The large interior loading space means that it is the perfect option for things such as a trip to the beach, for use in the garden for tools and plant transportation, and also the park, camping, and any outdoor events that you may need to carry things for. It folds away for simple storage and transportation and is also very easy to maneuver on different surfaces. The heavy-duty steel frame allows for up to 265 pounds in weight. The wagon has an adjustable handle that can be controlled by a lock, which allows you to freely adjust the length and the height. The wagon itself can take a lot of different shapes and sized items, helping for all sorts of situations where you may not be able to physically carry all that you need. The thicker set wheels are also great on different grounds, such as thick sand, which ordinarily may have been difficult to maneuver in. What we like: all-terrain PU wheels, weatherproof barrier, rust-resistant frame, supports 176 pounds, 2-year warranty. What we don't like. Our verdict. Number 5. Timber Ridge Folding Wagon Collapsible Utility Cart. Camping, music festivals and generally being outside is becoming more popular, and so you may be looking for something that will enable transportation of camping essentials, beach, garden or other things that you need for the great outdoors. This is when the Timber Ridge Folding Wagon could be the ideal option to consider. There is a large capacity. Unfolded, the size is 5 inches in length and 4 inches in width. It is a semi-closed design, which can hold items of different shapes and sizes. The great thing is there is no installation, which saves you on time and also space, allowing this product to be used more regularly and with ease. The flexibility doesn't stop there. With easy-to-remove wheels and also an adjustable handle, the wagon enables you to maneuver it quickly and conveniently. The 2 front wheels can rotate 360 degrees. There is also the addition of 2 cup holders for drinks, which could be especially important when camping, and also things such as a zippered storage bag on one side to help you keep smaller items safe and more organized. An ideal option for the family or for people who love to be outside. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.